Hello guys, now today we are going to look at how to design this amazing web design agency website. Okay, first let me refresh the page. Okay, so this is so amazing, very nice. So if you are an upcoming web designer, this is a time for you to create your own stunning, beautiful website. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through step by step how to design this amazing website. Now let's go down. I want to show you around. I love this website. Okay, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to design this website. So these are some of your services. Okay, as you can see, everything is looking perfect. And then your team member. Okay, good. So then here, that is the blog post. Okay, the blog post. So everything is looking perfect, and we have this call to action where you can add your phone number and the email. Okay, good. Now let's go to the app again. So everything is, to me, I love this website. I can click here to go up. Good. And let's go to about session or page. So about page here, then we have this. Okay, good. Something, your mission and then vision. Okay, then your team members, then your history, foundation. Okay, the date it was founded, everything is perfect. Okay, good. Now let's go to services. So here is the services page. Okay, so list of some of your services. Okay, everything is looking amazing, and I love this website, and I know you will love it too. Okay, and then portfolio, and I will show you how you can create all these mop-up. Okay, I'll walk you through step by step how to create all these mop-up. Okay, just to showcase sample of your work. Let's go to contacts. So here is our contact page. Okay, good. And I'm going to show you how to design that. And this is my location on the Google My Business. That is Reader Alligators, and I hope you can see it here. Okay, good. So this is the kind of website that we are going to learn how to design, and I know you are ready. Okay, in fact, we are going to design this website using Elementor Pro. Okay, and I'm going to give it to you for free. Okay, yeah, for this tutorial. Okay, I'm not asking you to use it for production, but this is just for tutorials. If you want to if you need Elementor Pro, just go to the official website, that is elementor.com. okay, just go there and you get that is, you'll be able to get some to buy. Okay, I mean, let me look at some of the pricing here. That is a builder. Okay, and these are the pricing for that. One website, 25 websites, and 1000 websites price. Okay, good. But I will give it to you for free. This is for just this tutorial. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to design this amazing website. Okay, so all that I can say is let's start it. Okay, now before you can design a website, I'm going to walk you through, that is 3 steps. First, we're going to look at how to get a domain and hosting. Okay, that's the most important thing. Before you can design a website, you need a domain hosting. Then after that, then I will guide you through how to import this template and how to edit and change it, everything, so that just to make it looks, add everything, add your brand name, everything. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so these are some of the steps that I'm going to walk you through. That is getting domain name, importing the move, and also editing. Okay, good. Now, as I said, before you can do this, you need hosting and a domain. Okay, now a reader host, we have the cheapest web hosting and a domain name. So let's go here. Good. This is our official website, that is readerhost.com. The link is below this video. Okay, so come to this platform. Good. And over here you can see some of our hosting package. We have the share hosting and the hosting plus. The hosting plus is just a name that I've created. This one, the hosting plus, comes with a free domain name. Okay, and this is a share hosting. Let's go to the share hosting. And under the share hosting, we have these are some of the monthly packages. Okay, you can pay for monthly or 3 months or 6 months. Okay, that is depends on you what you want. Okay, so let me show you this. Let's go to the starter plan. So with this starter plan, for now, I'm going to use I already have an account. I'll log in first, but I just want to show you around. Okay, good. So this is my WHMCS platform. Okay, so over here, after selecting the package, or you can just come back here and select the share hosting again, and these are the pricing for that. Okay, if you want to go with the share hosting plus, that one comes with a free domain, and this is 150 Ghana cedis. You get XYZ domain, okay, plus a hosting account. And then we have Pro Plus. Pro Plus is 300 Ghana cedis. You get .com. This one you get XYZ for free. This one you get .com.org extension for free, okay, plus the hosting platform. Okay, so the one that I will recommend for you is this one. Okay, in fact, just let me show you how to go about it. Or if you want to share hosting, you can go with the share hosting here. So with this, you can just enter your domain name, okay, .com. For the share hosting, it means that you have to pay for the domain in addition to that. Okay, so let's say radar.v.xyz. okay, so let me check this. Now, as you can see, I can get it. Okay, so proceed, and then okay, this one is .com. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let me remove this from here and select XYZ from here and search. Okay, so XYZ is just 58 Ghana cedis. I will proceed to that. Okay, so over here, I can decide to buy monthly or yearly. Okay, so we have, this is 3 months, which is less than 30 Ghana cedis. Let's say 30 Ghana cedis. I hope you can see from here. And if you want 6 months, semi-annually, and that is 50 Ghana cedis. So with the almost 60 Ghana cedis. So with the domain, the two of them is around getting 200 Ghana cedis, which I think is okay. Okay, it's quite good. Okay, so you can just proceed. Then you can check all this ID protection, email forwarding, and everything. Then you continue. Okay, so for this, I will advise you to maintain the for this one. Let's see. Okay, so you see, they have added a free add-ons. That's the 360. This one, all this is very important. Just keep it. So you only pay 128 Ghana cedis for domain hosting, which is not bad at all. You can continue, and then over here, you have to fill in your details. Okay, you can fill in your details, then you proceed. Okay, it's very easy. You can pay with your mobile, that is mobile money wallet, or you can pay with your credit card. Okay, as I said, I already have an account here, so I will not go through this process. I'll rather log in. Okay, so I will just click that to log in. Okay, so I am on my dashboard. Okay, good. And let's see. So right now, what I'm going to do is, this time I'm not going to buy a new domain. I already have an account. So that is radar.blog.xyz. So I'm going to create a subdomain for this tutorial. So I'm going to walk you through how to create a subdomain. Okay, so to go to your dashboard, let's go to click here, services. Then click on the domain. This is the domain, my package. So click here. Okay, then here you can go to your cPanel. Okay, good. So we are now heading to cPanel. So we are here. So first of all, as I said, I'm going to use a subdomain. I'm not going to use the main domain. The main domain, I've already taught you how to go about it. Okay, that's what we did earlier. Okay, so right now let's move on with, so to create a subdomain, go to domains. Okay, So over here we can create our subdomain here. Now when you finish creating the subdomain, it will take about let's say about some hours. Let's take it about 6 hours or so, around that time. Then the standard timing is I think 24 hours. Okay, it's 24 hours, but I'm going to show you how to do that. I've already created a subdomain, but I'm going to show you how to do that. To create a subdomain, come here, enter the domain name the subdomain you want to create. I can just say that that is my website. Okay, let me just enter website. Okay, the main domain which has been added on this account, that's the day that I bought this hosting plan. The domain which was added is readerblog. Okay, readerblog.xyz. So I will just add readerblog.xyz. so without that, this will not work. You have to add it. So this is a subdomain. The website here is a subdomain. So all that I need to do is to just submit. Okay, then it will automatically, let me go back, because it will create it like I have done it here. So this is my subdomain. And so enough with the domain, we are done with that. So I'm now going to show you how to install. I just want to enforce HTTPS. Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to install WordPress. So to do that, let's go to our dashboard. So what you need to do here is locate WordPress. Okay, you can click here, or you can go to software clause. Okay, okay, where is the software clause? Okay, here you can click here, and over here there is a lot of scripts that you can install from here, and our WordPress is here. The VHMCS is here, so I will install WordPress. Okay, good. So now here there's the main domain, and there's a website which is on this domain. So I cannot create a website on this one, that is community website is on that domain. Okay, that is our previous tutorials. That is the community website. Okay, so here I can click here to select the subdomain. Okay, and make sure that HTTPS has been selected. Okay, good. And here I will enter my username. I'll go with Reader the Guitar, and then admin password. I will hide this and maintain it. Okay, regenerate and hide it. Okay, so I will just regenerate it. Okay, so let me first copy that and then hide it. Okay, good. And the email, later I will show you how to create an email account. I will not use this email account, but you need to add email account. So I'll rather delete it and make it info at. Okay, if you want to learn how to create email account, it's on my YouTube channel. Okay, good. Okay, so we are done. We have added all that we need. So I can just click here to install. Okay, if you want to save, you can save it, and within some seconds, yeah, it is done. Okay, it is done. Good. So now we are here. If I click here, it will open my site for me, and this is the site. Okay, this is a platform. Okay, but I don't know why I have this on it. I'm surprised. Okay, but no problem. Maybe the template that I selected. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, so I am on my dashboard. So when you click here, it will take you to your dashboard, and there's the front end. Okay, good. So I want to be here. For now, I'm done with the cPanel here. So yes, all that I need to do is to close it. Okay, good. So I will just close this, and now, okay, good. So then what we are going to do is to clean the WordPress dashboard. That's the most important thing that we need to do. So I will click the screen option here, uncheck all these, and then after that I will close this and come back here. Plugins, there's already installed plugins which I have to delete it, so just go ahead and delete it. Okay, go to themes 2. Let's click that. I will first install the thing that I'm going to use, then after that I will delete all these. So let me click here, and then I'll search for okay, so I'll go with this one, Bloxy theme, or you can go with Astra theme, but I love using this one. Okay, it's very flexible. I love it. Okay, good. So it's now activate, and it is done. So once I've done this, I've installed this and activated, I can now delete all these, because you don't have to leave any theme which is not active, any plugin. Okay, it's not safe to do that. So let me come back here and delete it. Okay, so I'll click here and delete it from here. Click here and delete it from here. Okay, so what I can also do is install the companion. Okay, good, and it's successful. Now let me show you something. There is extension that we need to install, especially the cookies concept. Okay, that one is very important. I love using it. Okay, good. So we are done. Let's go to comments, and we have a default comment here that we need to trash it, and go to trash and empty the trash. Okay, what else? Let's go to settings, and here under settings here we have permalinks. Select that, and make sure you select post name. Okay, for SEO. When you select this one, it will comes with a date, and it's not good. Okay, so just go with the post name, go down and save it. Okay, so for now we are done with the basic settings. Okay, so as I told you, we are done with the how to get our web hosting, affordable one with just 100 Ghana cedis. You get your hosting and a domain, and also how to install WordPress. Now we are going to look at how to import the demo content. Okay, so right now we are now going to install our plugins, and that is Elementor Pro. Where can we get that? Okay, if you are not part of this social group, that is, sorry, not here. Okay, so let me close this one too. So let's come back here and enter community.com. Community.com is below this video. This is my community platform. It's a community, and I have added a lot of courses. Not only that, and also shop, okay, where you can get template, theme, and others, premium template. I'm going to add more stuff here. Okay, and so if you're not a member here, then I would advise you to join. Okay, you cannot go to any of the platform is being restricted, so you have to join the platform. You have to create an account. If you're already a member here, just go straight to login page and log in. Okay, but if you don't have an account, then go ahead and just select subscribe now and select one of the packages here. Okay, if you go with this free one, you'll be able to post comment on the platform, but you'll be able to get access to premium templates and the resources. Okay, good. So I already have an account, so I will just log in here, and that is my username is fanboy, and the password I will just log in. Good, and I'm on that. I can just click here on the logo, and this is, as I said, a community. We have a lot of guys here who are learning how to design websites for free. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, this is just a community. If you pay the 20 Ghana cedis for just registration, okay, after that your monthly dues is 5 Ghana cedis, and with that you'll be able to access resources. If you need any resources, just reach out to me. I will get it for you. Okay, if it is not on a platform, I will get it for you, and every month you pay only 5 cedis. That's it. Apart from that, you will learn for free, everything for free. Okay, so let's go to, now we are here. We need a template. We need Elementor Pro. So go to shop, and as you can see, we have Elementor Pro. Okay, good. I will click here. Good, and this is there. Okay, so what can I do? first I have to pay for that. Okay, so the price is, let's look at the price. Let me refresh the page again, and this, the price is 0. Okay, so that is, you're not going to pay anything. But if you are not a member of this platform, if you don't have a premium plan on this platform, if you are not a full member, the free members only have access to the social media platform. Okay, so if you are not a full member, you won't be able to access this. Okay, so for my membership, let me take you to my profile here. And as you can see, my membership is a free one, which means that I can access course for free. So I can go here, courses, go to social media, and then start. I will just enroll in a course. Okay, as you can see, it's successful. So I can just go ahead and start watching the video, or I can just start learning and go ahead and continue from there. But I'm not here for that. Okay, I'm here to shop, and let's see if I have access. So I will just click on Elementor Pro. Let me add it to carts. Okay, I have done that. It has been added. Let me see. Okay, but let me go to, it has been added. But let me also, I need another one, this one, web design agency template. We also need this template. Okay, and I can click here, add to carts, and it has been added. Let me view carts. Okay, you see, okay, this content is for premium members only, so which means that I have to access that package, and that is 20 Ghana cedis for initial payment, then 5 cedis per month. Okay, good. So I will click that, and now I have to pay with Paystack. Okay, so here I will enter my payment details, or I can go with Momo. Let me see. Oh, why am I seeing only? Okay, let me refresh it again, because I can only see credit card. Okay, I don't know why I cannot see my Momo, because there's two options here that I can use, that is either credit card or Momo, but the credit card, the Momo is not showing. Okay, good. So let me, because this account belongs to me, so I'm going back to that is to access the platform as administrator and approve this payment. Okay, good. I'll get back to you. Okay, so let us continue. Now I have changed my plan, so let me go back to view, and as you can see, my membership plan now is premium. So let me proceed with it. Okay, so I think I have it on the carts already, so let me go here. Okay, good. I mean, there are too many. I have to delete the one that I don't need. Okay, so I don't need this. Good. And also the body boss, I don't need that one. Okay, so I only need these two of them. Okay, that's the web design agency website template and Elementor Pro. Okay, good. So then what else? I've added my billing details here, so I can now click place new order, place order. Okay, so as you can see, it's successful. Okay, good, it's successful. So I can now download it from here. Okay, good. Can go ahead and download it. So I will go ahead and click here to download it. Okay, so that is the first one. Sorry. Okay, so this web design agency template. I can click here and download is ongoing. Okay, so let me go back here. I can go back, and now Elementor Pro, and this one too, I can click here to download, and it's on go. Let me track the download and see. Okay, so go to downloads. Okay, so the template is done. Okay, and let's see, Elementor Pro is almost done. Okay, that one too is done. So I can now close it, and then I'll go back here. Okay, so I can now go to my dashboard. Okay, so we are done with the downloading of the template and then Elementor. So what we are going to do, let's see it from the computer. Let's come back here, downloads, and these are the two items we just. So I will create a new folder right now and put the document inside. So good. So I'm going to select this and that and put it inside this new one. So let me open that. Okay, good. For the template, I will extract here. Okay, good. So this is the template, and we have everything here. Okay, good. Let's go up, and then Elementor Pro, that one too, let's extract here. Good. And that one, after extracting this one, you have this, you get this and that. Okay, good. Now let's come back. We don't need this one anymore. I'm done. Let me post something. Okay, I feel like posting something, so let me click here, select this one, just post this. Okay, so this banner is for this tutorial. So this project. Okay, so let me just type something like recording now. So I can click post here to post this. Okay, good. So I can now leave here. So I'm here. Okay, so right now let's install our plugins first. So I'll go to upload, select file, then let me go to the folder. First select the free one, the Elementor, this one. Okay, but this one is not current version, no problem. Let me show you. But the Pro one is the current version. Okay, that's the current version. Let me show you why I'm saying this. First, let us install it. Okay, so let me activate it. So I will click here to activate the plugin. Okay, so when you get this, if you don't have an account, if this is your first time, then go ahead and create an account. Okay, but I already have an account, so I will just click connect because I already have an account. Okay, my account is on, it's not on this one. Okay, so I'll rather create a new account. Okay, so then I'll click here to create a new account. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So then I'll go with the Gmail. Okay, so I will select my Gmail account from here. Okay, so this is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, so now connect it. Okay, so it's now connected. Okay, you have to do this. It's very, very important. Without this, the template will not work. Okay, good. So let's see. Okay, so I can now uncheck this and go back to the dashboard. Okay, good. Now let's go to plugins and let's see. Okay, so okay, but let's see. Now let us continue. I will click add new, and over here I will go to upload. We are now going to upload the Pro one. Okay, so the Pro one, select it and click that, install now. Okay, so I can now click here to activate it. Okay, so now it is done. As you can see, now I have Elementor Pro. Okay, good. So we are going to look at how to import the template. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, let's go to our template. Now go here and go to template. So template, we first have home. As you can see, we have home here. So we need to create a page called home. So let's go to pages and select add new, and that is, we are going to create a new page, and that is home. Okay, so we are here. I will click that and enter home and go to publish. Click it twice. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, good. Now when we are to go through it, or let me show you. When you look at this, we have home, about, services, portfolio, and contact. So I love it, about, services, portfolio, and contact. So I'm going to add the, let's go back, click the icon here. Okay, so we are here. I will click add new again. Okay, so now it's about. Okay, I will then publish that. Okay, and go back. Okay, so go through the same procedure to add the rest of the pages, and that's services, portfolio, and contact. I will get back to you. I want to pause the video and complete the rest. Okay, so we are here. I'm done with adding the rest of the pages. So this page, privacy policy, and then the sample page came with the installation of WordPress. So I will delete it. So just select them, come to bulk, and go to move to trash, apply. And it's on the trash now. So let's go to trash and empty it. Okay, so we are done. So right now what we are going to do is how to add menu. Okay, now when you look at this one, we have menu here. So we are going to look at how to add a menu. So to do that, let's go to appearance, menus. Okay, so over here I will enter main menu, or just main. Okay, then I will select the mobile menu and then header menu 1. Okay, good. After that, create it. Okay, so select all from here, add menu. Okay, good. So after that, select all again, add menu. Okay, so you see it has been added. We have to rearrange it. I want the home to be first, followed by about, then services, then portfolio will be here, and then contact will be last. So I will then go down here and save it. Okay, so it's now saved. Now let me open here in a new tab. Okay, so now let's see. You see it has been added. Okay, and these are the menu, the home, about, services. Okay, this is our reference site. Let me move this one here so that we will be working here. Here will be our reference, and this is a sample site. Good. I just want you to follow everything step by step. Okay, I don't want you to lose. Okay, good. So now we have added a menu here. Okay, so we are done with that. So what we are going to do is how to import the template. So I'm going to import 2 templates. Okay, I'm going to import 2 templates, after which you will do the rest. Okay, good. So let's go to Elementor. Okay, so first let's go to there's something that we need to do. Let me show you something first. Now over here, let me come back here, the reference side. You see this one is black because we are on the home as a landing page here. Okay, when I click on the logo, we are still at the home, or we are still at home. Okay, when I click about, we are now in a different page, as you can see. But let's check our site. If I click here, I'm on different platform. You see we have home here. But when I click on the logo, then I'm at different place. Okay, which means that here is our landing page. The blog post is our landing page. Okay, and I'm going to change that. First, let's delete this. So let's go back here and go to post or post. And now we have this post which came with the installation, this one. So I will then trash it. Go to the trash and empty the trash. Okay, good. So we are done with that. So let's see. Let me refresh the page. You see that you will not see it again. Okay, it's gone. Now we are going to change the landing page. So come back here. Let's go down here and let's go to settings. Then select reading. So under reading here, a static page, select a static page, home page. Let's select home. Go down here and save it. So let's go up here and refresh the page. You see, here is now our landing page, and as you can see, when I click here, I'm still at the same place. Good. So we are now going to edit the template. Okay, we are now going to add a template, import the template. So to do that, let me come back here. Okay, so I can go to the back end, and now the home has been selected already. Select edit from here, edit page, and now we see we have Elementor here. I can click edit with Elementor. Okay, so I have to remove this. Let me click here. The screen is too small, so I have to reduce it so that I'll be able to remove this. Let me go back to 100%. Okay, good. So we are here. Okay, good. So we are going to import the template. But before you do that, let's make this change. Go to settings here. Settings. Okay, no, let me go here. So we will go here rather. Go to settings. Okay, it's not need because it's 1140. The default one is 1140. So let's maintain that. Okay, but what we need to do, go to settings again. Go down here and hide title. Make sure you click that so that we want to hide this. And then page layout. Select Elementor full width. After that, update it. Okay. So now look at this page. When I refresh the page, because of what we just did, we will not see this again. Okay, so you see the title is gone. Now let's come back to add template. Okay, so let's go to template, my template. We don't have any template yet, so we are now going to upload them. Click here and we are going to, it says import to your library. It's drag and drop. Okay, so I can now locate this. Now for now the template that I'm going to add is about home, then what, services, then we have what, footer, contacts, and that is all. The heading, we're not going to use it. Okay, so these are the template that I'm going to add for now. Okay, let me see if I will add a theme. Okay, good. So let's drag it and drop it here. Continue. Okay, good. Oh, they have only added one. Okay, so let me click here again. So this time I will only select only one, that is home, because that's what I want to work with first. So I will drop the home here and continue. So it has been added. So do the same for the rest of the pages. Okay, do it one after the other. I'm going to pause the video and complete it. Okay, so I've added all of them, including the pricing. Okay, and then the footer. So just look at the list that I've added, okay, from the folder. So right now you see the page that we were editing was what? Home page. So then we are going to import. So just locate the home here and click insert. Okay, so as you can see, it has been added. Everything has been added. You see, this is the template. Okay, it's looking good. So I can just come here and update it. Okay, good. So if I refresh the page right now, then we will see the template that we just added. Okay, so this is the template, and to me it's looking nice. Okay, good. So I'm going to, now we are done importing the home page, leave it about. So this is what we're going to do. Let's go back from here. Go back again. So let's select about. Okay, then again edit with edit page. Okay, edit with Elementor. Okay, so first let us hide the title. So go down here, hide the title, and edit with select Elementor full width and update. Okay, so it's done. Let's click here again, the folder icon, my template. So we are to locate about. So I will just insert it. Okay, so as you can see, about has been added. Okay, it has been added, and now we can just click here to save it. Okay, so it left with services, portfolio, and contact. We will add the pricing to portfolio. Okay, so the pricing template, add it to portfolio and do the services. Okay, I want to pause the video and complete the remaining, so follow the same steps and do the rest of the pages. Okay, so far so good. We are done. I've added all the templates. Okay, this is the home, about, services. So I've added all the templates. Okay, for the portfolio, I told you to use the pricing one. You will change it. Okay, and then the contact, I've added that. Okay, good. So we are going to modify it. I mean, maybe it's not looking good at all, but I'm going to walk you through step by step how to design this. Okay, good. So now we have added a template. Let's design the header. Okay, now as you can see, let's look at the sample site. This is the header. Okay, it's yellow, but maybe this one will look better than this one. Okay, so first let's go to customize, and over here we are going to get our logo. Okay, good. So I'm going to show you how to. Okay, so let us continue. So here we are going to change the header. Okay, so go to header, and over here we are going to modify it. Okay, good. This agency website. Let me remove this search icon and update it. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to add my contact. Okay, good. Like I have, like when you go to a radar host, that is, I'm talking about our hosting company. See, we have our number here. So let me copy that. Good. I will then remove it. So that's what I'm going to do. So here I will just click there. Oh, I will search for this one and drop it here. Click on that. After dropping it, just click on that. It will open. So I will just write tell. and put column, then enter my number here. I can select it and make it bold. Good. Give let's say I want to go with a different color. Let me say this one I want to make here yellow, so I want to give a different color to here. So then let me use my color picker to pick the color, the yellow color. Let me see where I can get the yellow color. Okay, so from here I will pick my color picker, pick it from here. Can just copy the color, close it, come back here, click here, select here, delete all the FF and paste, hash paste. And now I can now save it. Let me come back here. Let me go up. See, after refreshing the page, now I have this. So I want this text. Okay, so let me remove the bold color. So I will remove that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this text white. Okay, so I will make it rather white. Then everything will be white. And not only that, I will click here, the top row, and here is, I will make it 40. And let me come back here and refresh the page. Okay, so it's quite good. I think, let me make it bold, it's too small. So let me click on that and select all of them. Select all of them, make it bold, and save it. Let me come back and refresh the page. Now it's looking good. Okay, good. I love it. I love this one. Now you see the page is too wide. Look at where this one ends and look at where the logo is. So we can do something about it. Let's go back here and go to general and go to page layout. Here is 1290, which is too much. Let's make it 1140 and save it. Now let's come back here, refresh the page. You see that it will be on the same line. Okay, so you see it's now looking better. Okay, it's good. Everything is now looking better. When you look at it vertically, you see it's a line. Okay, good. So now you're done with that. Let's come back here, and here is the height is too long. Let me reduce that. Where can we do that? Let's go back here, go back again, go to heading, and under here on top here, main row, click here, and it's 120. I prefer 80. Okay, if you can make it 90, just enter a number and then come back here, refresh the page and look at how it looks, and to me it's okay. So I can just go back here. You see this one is okay, it's in capital letter, so that is okay, but the color here is blue. Okay, and I think the blue is okay, it's okay. So now we need to add our logo. Okay, so we can design our simple logo using Canva. I'm going to give all students Canva Pro. Okay, I will post it on the platform tomorrow. Okay, that is, I will post it on the platform, or anytime you need it, let me know. I will post it on the platform. Okay, so let me see if I can log in on this platform, because I've not been logging with this browser. So let me use a different browser here and go to Canva Pro, and this is Canva Pro. Okay, so to create a simple logo, I just want to create something simple. Okay, so I can just, or you can just look through it here and you see logo. Let me see. Okay, so logo, click on that. Okay, so we are done with it. Now we are going to add a logo. Okay, let's see, web design. So let me click on that. Maybe I will get a nice logo for that. So as you can see, web web word. Okay, the name sound good, web word. Okay, so and that is good. I can open this one, make it big. Okay, so then what? I would rather delete this. I don't know what it. Okay, let me make it large. Okay, it says Web Design Studio. Okay, I want to make it. Hey, wow. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, I want to open that part. And then let me drag it down here, and then this one I will drag it down. Okay, so let me open this one too. This one. Okay, and let me put this one on it. Okay, so this is my logo, and the color, I have to select a color that's okay, so let me come back here. This is the browser that I'm using, so I have to go with this color. So I'll rather come back here, use the color picker to get a code, and then it's 4A6CD, or I can decide to copy that, then close it. Let me come back here and open it, select that. So I'm going to change, can then add a hash, paste the color. Okay, so then I'm going to change this one to, okay, so let me change this one to the same color, but I'm going to change this one to make it yellow, the first one. So let me select this thing again. So I'm going for this yellow. I will select here and copy the yellow color, come back here. Oh, come on, I have to close this, come back here and select this. So with this one, I'm going to enter yellow, and I think that is okay. I will make this one black. So this black is okay, and this text to black. Okay, so this is what I have right now, and I don't know, is it looking good? Okay, let me maintain it. Okay, so I will just come back here, download, then I want a transparent background, only the Pro one, that will give you these features. Okay, and if you want to compress it so that you get the size will be too small, but that is okay. Okay, so I will then find a place to, okay, so let me put it here. Okay, so now I can then close this. Okay, so here, go back here, go back, we are going to add our logo, and this is the logo. Click on that and click here. We are going to select the logo from here, go inside this. Oh, come on, where is the logo? Okay, so this is the logo. Select it, upload, and now I can now insert that. Okay, so what we can do is we can hide this so that we only have the logo, and the height is too small. No, it's not about the height. Let's go up and let me see, go down. Okay, so let me click here. It's okay, so click on the logo again. Okay, so let me go back here. There's something I need to do, that's why. So click here, edit image. You see there is a large space between it. Okay, so we are going to remove all this space. Okay, good. So let me click here. Oh, why? Okay, let's come back here again. So let me go back. I think I don't want you to get lost. First, let me click here and insert it. Because of the space around it, when I save it, the logo will look small here, and you see it's too small. So I'm going to do something about it. So I'm going to remove the unwanted part. So click here, edit image here, and it will open a new tab. This one's supposed to, you see, is faded. So let me refresh the page. Okay, so click on that, then reduce the margin around it. Okay, okay, so I can apply crop. Okay, so what can I do? And save it, update it. Okay, so now I can just come back here, refresh the page here, go to header again, and now click on the logo, and you see it's now okay. So I can even reduce it, make it 6, publish, come back here, go to the back end, and it's looking nice. Okay, I think so. Or I can make it, increase it. Okay, let me make it 65 and publish that. Come back here, refresh the page, and now it's looking nice. Okay, amazing. So we are now going to add features here. So we still have a long way to go. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are done with this part, so let's leave. Now we are going to edit the home page. Okay, so that's what we are going to do now. So to do that, let's go to edit, okay, so right now we are on the Elementor interface. This is the Elementor interface. Okay, so let me go back. I just want to see what's, so this time, because we have already edit this page with we have done that with the Elementor, so we can just click here to go back to Elementor interface. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. As it is loading, let's go back to our machine and go back the folder we downloaded from the community, and we added that here. And then this web, there we have images here. Okay, so in order for you to be able to follow along, I've added all the images which are used to design this one here. Okay, so we are going to use that. Okay, good, but I'm going to show you how to make all these. Okay, first, now let me minimize that. So as you can see, when you look at the sample site, we have this and we have that. For this is already there. Let me show you. You see, we already have this yellow. So I'm going to show you how to add this one and that. Okay, so let's come back here. And now to do that, first let me show you how to do that from the Elementor. So let's come back here. We are done with this one. Okay, so if you want to add something like that, just select the size, custom size that you want. Let's say 400 by 400. Click it to open. Okay, so we are going to look at how to add this one, how to design this one. Okay, and okay, so we are here. So we go to elements, and the elements, we have so many elements here that you can use. Okay, good. So in order to first, okay, so let me go to shapes. Okay, so the shapes here, you get this or that. Okay, so this, and we can now locate it. Okay, now when you look at this one, we have this one here. That's what we are going to do. So I will rather change it to this. Okay, so I will take it up here. Good, and then drag it again. Okay, so we are done. So this is how, okay, so I need it in this way. Okay, good. So then I can decide to click here. Let me see the color. The color that we are using is yellow. Okay, this color is different from what I have on that, so I will then select the yellow color here, copy that, cancel. Now I will come back here, come back here and add the color. Click here, select new, paste the color. Okay, so I can now click share to go to download, transparent background, download. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, good. So I can go back here. Now let me go back to the page, this thing. So we are here, we are going to add this. So click here, upload, select file. Now let's locate this, open. Now because we have a wanted part, let us remove that. Click here. I will then drag this one forward, then this one down and drag it up. Okay, good. So I only have this. Okay, so this one is okay. I can now apply it and save it. So if I select it, to be added. See, it has been added. Good. And you have a control. You can, if it did not fit well, if it did not it's not at exact position that you want, but you want to just adjust it, you can just come back here to advance and then you look through it. You can use this one to control it. Okay, so if I go down here, you see it's going up. Okay, I think that is okay. Now if I go up, down or up, then you see, good. I think this is okay. I can now save it. Good. Now what do we have here? What do you have here? So here, let's change this. I will click here, and what is there? Let's look at the sample site. We have this. Okay, good. Let me show you how to do that. That one too, you can also do that. Okay, I can just delete this, come back to the same element, but this time let's go back and then let's see. Let's just go down. I'm going to show you where you can locate that. Okay, so let me see, let me check from here. Oh no, this one is different. Okay, I think, okay, let's go down again. Oh, why? Okay, so let me click here again because I don't know why I cannot see that. Okay, so over here, this is already used one. Okay, so by clicking, I think I'll be able to see it. These are okay. So let me go back again. Let me go here and select here again. So let me go down. I just want to see okay, so because I've used it's here, but you can just go through it and I can just come back here this the one that I'm going to do. Okay, so let me show you. So this one, okay, or this. Okay, so all that I can do now is, okay, so I can just add this, then I will then open it. Okay, so this is what I want. I can put it here. Then what is the color? Okay, it's yellow. All of them are yellow. Okay, so I will just click here, click here. Okay, select the color, and now I can select the yellow. I don't know if this is the right color for that. Okay, so let me check from the, use the color picker, copy that, close it, and now I can just come back here and paste the color. Okay, so just go ahead, share here, transparent, make sure you select that, download, and save it. Okay, so I'm not going to go through and do for all, but I've done 2 for you to see. So let's come back here, and now here. Okay, so I can just click here, locate the file from the computer and upload, select, and as you can see, it has been added. Okay, I can save it and come back here and refresh the page. You see, it has been added. Okay, so left with this. For down, I'm going to use what I already have. So let me click here, locate it from the computer, go here, and the one that I'm going to use, let's go here, go to images. So the one that I'm going to use is this one, the yellow one. Select it, then insert it. You see, it has been added. Okay, good. I can now save it again. What image do we have here? Oh, okay, this guy. Okay, so I'm going to click here on the image here, or you can just click here. Okay, so it has been selected. Click here, click that, click here, and then we can look through it and locate that guy. Okay, this is the guy. Select it. You see, when you look at this one, he's facing here, but this one is facing a different direction. So let's go to edit image, and this time we are going to rotate it vertically. Oh, okay, rotate. Okay, flip. Let's see. Oh, no. So undo. Okay, so then let me make it, okay, rotate 180. Yeah, 180 is okay. Oh, come on. Okay, so let me click on that again. Okay, flip horizontally. Okay, so horizontally is okay. Okay, so I can now click here to save it. And now I can now insert it. And publish that. So when we come here, you see it's looking good. Good. You see it's looking good. It's looking nice. I love it. Okay. So you see all this, it has all this. So we are going to go through the same procedure to complete the rest. Okay, but for this tutorial I will guide you through to complete the home page, but the rest of page is the same thing. I'll show you how to go about it. Okay, so let's go down here, and then it's the same thing for all. Okay, so for pictures you can use your own pictures. Okay, yeah, that is advisable. So this one, let's go to this one, let's go down there and check the second one. Okay, this one is blue. Okay, so you go with the blue one. So I'll click here, go here, select the images. Okay, so let me locate that. I can click that, this, and then that. Okay, I think that is all right. Yeah, good. So which one? Okay, so I selected here, so which means that I have to go with this one. Insert, so as in added, I have to select here, click here, and this time is this one too. I think I need to edit it, crop it, drag it, and okay, apply and save. Okay, but this one, if I insert, it will be facing a different direction. So you see, so I have to turn it. So edit again, and let me rotate it. Okay, so flip horizontally. Okay, so let's see, save it and insert. Oh, come on, let me save it. I think it will work. And refresh the page from here. Let's go down here. You see, it's nice. If you think it's not well arranged, that is going to be difficult. So we have to refresh the page here. Okay, so let's go down. So after refreshing the page, we have that. Okay, so oh, come on. So you can just change it. Okay, so come back here, advance, then go down. Let me see, app. Okay, app is okay. Good, I think it's okay. So let's go up, and now we need to add this one. Select it, and we have this. Insert. What image is there? Okay, so this is image. I'm going to put that image. Come back here, click that. Let me locate that image. Okay, so I can now use the image, select it, and then insert, update. Okay, so for that, I can click here. I want this one to fall at the center, so I will rather click here. Then vertical align, like center. So nice. Okay. So we are done with here, and now we are here. Okay, so this information, if you want to change this, just click there, then you change it. You type your own word. If you want to change this, click on that and change it. The same thing applies to all these. Whatever you want to change it, just click on that. It's just drag and drop, very simple. And all these you can change it, including the icon. You can just click here, you change it, or you can change that. Okay, change the image, and click here, you'll be able to change the image. So we are done with the face, and now we are here. Okay, still have a long way to go, but no problem. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, so let us continue. So this is what we are going to do. Now we are done with this. We are now going to look at this one. Okay, so I just want to show you the easiest way. Okay, that's the shortcut. So let's come back here. You see we have this one. Select this one. I will advise you to just copy that. Okay, now let's go down here, come back here. Now on top of this one, let's click that and paste this one here. Okay, good. So now we have this. Good. So we can decide to delete this one. Okay, because it's the same thing. The shape is the same thing, just that the color is not the same as what we have here, but it's all about creativity. Okay, here it was yellow, but it's not a big deal. Okay, it's all about creativity. So what we can do is to make sure here is different. We have this note here, so then we can decide to delete this one, the inner one here. Then we can come here, then we drag this one from here and drop it. We can just drag this one too from here and drop it, and drag this one too from here and drop it inside. So we are done. So as you can see, let's see, it has this, and now we have done that. Okay, to me, where it is, I don't even like it, so I can just locate it at the center. And over here, if you want to link this one to a page, social media or contact, we can just remove the hash and enter contacts, so that it will our contact page here, this contact page that we see here is now here. Okay, so let me enter again. So that's contacts. So this is the contact page, just to add, so that when someone click on this button, it will take the person to the contact page where you can he can see your contact info or contact you through email. So let me update it. Now we have done that. We don't need this one anymore, so I can click here to delete this. So it's left with the second one, but you see this one is too close to this, so I will just click here, then go to advanced, go to here, margin, then I will leave, let's say 50 on top. Okay, yeah, I think 50 is even small, so let's make it 70. Okay, or let's make it 50. And then this one, I'll click on this one, go here, margin, the top one here, I'll make it negative so that it will. Okay, so then you have enough space. Let's go again, I'll make it 40 and save it. Let's come back here and refresh the page so that we can see what we have done. Okay, so let me go down. Good, and now it's looking good. Okay, so yeah, we just completed this one, so it's left with this. Okay, so we are going to work on this, and let's see this one too. There's an easy way. Yes, I like shortcuts, so let's come back to the first one here. You see we have this. Okay, so I can decide to copy this, copy that, because the position of this is almost the same, is the same as this. Okay, so first I will come back here, I will click here, this plus, and paste it on top here. Good. Okay, good, because yes, because after, let's see, after this one, then we have this. Okay, so we have that. Okay, good. So what I can do is here we can change the features here. I can just click here and leave a space, go to margin, leave about 70, and I don't know why this one is here. Okay, okay, so let me remove this and let's see. No, okay, there is something here that we need to remove first. Okay, good, that's the reason. Okay, so I can now, okay, so we have, can now remove that, and now click here again and paste it. I still have it. Okay, paste it, And now, as you can see, I can now click here, go to advanced, uncheck this, and I will leave 70 over there. Okay, good. So what we have here, okay, good, it's just a test. So I will remove all these tests from here, including this one and this one and this one, so that I will drag this one inside and this one inside. These are dummy tests, so you need to add your own content. Okay, and then the button here. Good. So now we have added that. I can decide to delete this. Okay, good. It's getting better. So here too, we will check this. Then over here too, we leave margin on top 70, just to create a space. You see, it was too close to that. Good. And with this, I can also say that this one is the same, the position of that is the same as this. Okay, you see, things are getting I like shortcut. I really love shortcut. Okay, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. I'm talking about when I'm working on a website. Okay, but in a real life, I don't like that. Okay, the easy way is sometimes dangerous. Okay, so I will advise you to always join the queue. Okay, when it is your turn, yes, you'll be safe. Now let's move on. So I think I've done that. Okay, so just copy this, click here, copy that, go down here. So over here, I will rather click here, then paste that. Okay, so you see the colors are not even the same. So this one is even better than the original one, my demo one. So I will then click here and leave a space, margin, make it 70. Good. I can save it from here. So we are now going to add this one. Okay, so we are going to add this. So all that you need to do is remove changes. Okay, just change the text. Okay, good. So I will delete this. Good. So we are done. We have added all the services. I can now save it and go down here. So we are here to add our team members. Okay, and that is cool. And the blog post, good. Okay, so we are at the team members now. Now let's come back here and refresh the page. Are you enjoying this tutorial? If the answer is yes, then please comment, like. You can even share this thing. You can share the video. Okay, you see this, we are doing this for free. Okay, and the only thing that will motivate us to do more, if we see that our followers are enjoying it, they are commenting, then it will encourage us to do more. So please, candidates, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that there's more stuff coming on your way. So subscribe now. Let us continue. Okay, we are not here to talk about subscription, so let's go down. We are here. Okay, so we are here. Okay, so now let us continue. So we are going to add the images. Okay, this is another name. You can change the name and enter your name. Let's say Amwakon Ernest. Good. Now click here. You can now select here and locate your team members image. Okay, so my team members, they are here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one is ready, so I'll go for this one. Select it, it has been added. Select this. I'll go for this, add. select this one, select that, and add it. So it has been added. You can change the name as I did for Amako NS. Okay, and then social media, you can also just click here to add your link. Okay, so you add your social media link here, simple as that. You click on the Twitter, you add a Twitter link here. Good, that's simple. Save it. So we have added our, and here testimonials, we are going to work on that. Okay, good. So what can we do? Click here, come back here, go to select your testimonial image. Okay, I'll go for this lady. Good, good. So I want this one to be at the center, so I will select here, then here the vertical line, middle. Yes, that's what I want. And let's see what is here. Okay, this lady, so I'll go for that. Click here, locate it. Okay, so let me locate her. Okay, so this one, select it and insert it. It has been added. Okay, good. For this one, okay, so we have to add all these features. So you see we have already added this one here. Let's see. Okay, so here is, okay, so we don't have, okay, so we have it here, so no problem, it's not a big deal. So you can click here, go for the yellow one. I think it's here. You can select it and insert. Yes, select here too, the yellow one. Go down here, this one, insert, added. Select this one, go for this one, and this one, added. Okay, so and this one we can make it go up so that a C is lying on this one. So I will uncheck this and select negative. Okay, so 65, save it, and this is our blog. Okay, so we are going to add the image. For the blog, I will not advise you to go with this one, I don't know, but all that you need to do is just add your blog post here. Okay, add that's your content, your blog content, add some of the text. Okay, you create the, okay, let me show you how to go about it. First, let me add the image. Let's say this is my blog post. Let me see what image did I use for that. Okay, the software, I don't even have them, so let me just get the pictures from here. So let me select these three pictures, and this one is ready, so I'll add this one here. Okay, good. Okay, then this one, I'll select a different one and add it. Oh, why? And add it. This one, I'll select another one. I think they are the same pictures also, and add it. Okay, so I'll rather change this one. Make it this one or this. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I've added the image. Okay, I have to add a link. When you click here, this way we can add a link. Okay, so first let me save this. So you can go here, go to your dashboard, then you create your page, your post here. So this is the post, add new. What is the post title? Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. How to design websites, something like that. Okay, in 2023. this is not a proper, like, I just want to put something down. Okay, so I'm going to use a dummy text, so I will just copy a dummy text, or I can click here to copy that, come back here and paste it. Okay, good. I'm not saying you have to use dummy text for your post. Okay, this to show you how to do that. So come here and then post category. Make sure you click here to enter new post. That is, you can say something like website. Okay, website. Then you click add new. Good. So it has been added. You can select your post title, your featured image. Let's say I want to use this. Insert. Okay, so I've added. I can now post it and click view it. Oh, come on. Okay, view the post. Okay, so let me go to the dashboard again. Let me go to the Elementor interface. Okay, so I can now copy the post. Copy the post link from here. Go to Elementor interface here. It's now loading. Okay, so over here I can now go down here. So I'm going to show you how to add a link. Okay, so all that you need to do is click here, then you paste the link, you copy it from, paste the link there, save it, and then also the post you can copy some of the post from here, then you click here, you paste some of the posts here, not all the posts but just some. As you can see, the length here, post it here. Make sure the number of words are the same, almost the same, so that it will be well arranged. Okay, after that you can change everything, anything that you want to change here. The image, you know how to go about it. Here I want to leave a gap, it's too close to that, so this time I will rather click on this, or I will click this one. I'll click this one and click advanced, then I will rather leave 100 on top. Okay, that's nice, and save it. Okay, so everything is looking nice. So we left with a footer. So what we are going to do is we are going to add a footer. Okay, so let's go down, and now if I have to look through it, everything is looking perfect. Okay, everything is fine, and I like the way it moves. The animation is very nice. Okay, so let's come back here, and this time we are going to, let's go to the dashboard. Good. So we are going to work on the footer. Okay, see the footer, the header is okay, but the footer is not looking good at all. So let's come back here, go to template, theme builder, then here the sidebar here, select footer, then click here. And we can select a footer from the template here. Let me see this one. Let me see this one. If it's okay. I think this one is okay. You can just change this one. It has a call to action. I'll go with this one. Okay. So let me select that. Okay. So it has been added. Okay. So, and then here you can add your own details. Write something short about the company, then you connect the about section. You just delete the hash, then you write about, about, you select the about page so that you link to about. You write something short about your company, but it won't be lengthy, very short, a summary of it, so that if the person want to read more, he can click here and read more. Okay, yes. So I can just enter the name. The name is what? Let me look at the name, because I think it's web word. Okay, so I can just enter web word there. Over. Okay, this one is image, so you can delete it and put some text over there. Okay, good. After that, you can just publish. Come here, entire website, save. Okay, and let's go down. You see it's looking nice. Let me come back here and refresh the page. All right, okay, let me refresh again. Okay, good. So let's go down. Let's go down. Okay, so you see it's very nice. It's very nice. Okay, we have where you can collect email, get the latest update, and stay connected. Subscribe to our newsletter. So this one is nice. Okay, good. It's nice. Okay, so far so good. Let's see, in case if you want the website to be responsive on mobile, I don't know, let me show you how to do that. Okay, so far so good. I think we have done that and everything is looking perfect. Okay, go to Elementor interface here. Okay, so I don't know, but if you have not done that, let me show you how to go about it. If you want the site to be responsive, then you click this one, then you go here, then you can start changing it. You can start reducing the font size. Okay, good. Changing it, reducing it so that it will look nice on mobile. Okay, good. Yes, you can go ahead and reduce it, but everything is looking perfect here. Okay, so far so good. I know if you don't understand anything, just reach out to me. Just contact me on mine. You can just reach out to me at reader.com. It's below the video. reader.com. Okay, this is my portfolio website. You can learn more about Reader Digital Company. Okay, or you can go to our web hosting platform to also buy some of that is a Reader host. Is below this video to buy hosting package. Okay, you can also join our that is community website and learn how to design website for free. Just subscribe it. We have courses, template, everything is for free. Okay, even this template we downloaded from that platform for free. Okay, let me go here, and this is our social media platform, and that is not just a social media platform, our course platform. Okay, and one thing, let's say you are now learning how to design website, but you need money, you want to start making money. I will advise you to come to a Reader host here. Go to web design. We are giving a web design service to our students, so which means that you can look for clients, you negotiate. Let's say you can just get something like around 1,500 or 2,000 or 3,000. Okay, you just come to our platform here. You only pay 500 Ghana cedis for web hosting and a domain. So after subscribing to the 500 Ghana cedis package, we will design the website for you for free. Okay, for free. Yes, no question asked, everything for free. So just come back here, select it, and over here you can enter the domain that you want to buy. You search, let's say readervvv.com, search for that. You continue, and now you have, let's say, and the amount is 500, which include the domain, and is what, 1 year, and it says free domain. Okay, so you can just go ahead and pay for that. Okay, you can select your DNS ID protection, that is email forwarding, and you can click on that to continue. If you want to continue, you have to pay just 510. If you are to continue, you can just go ahead and then try to place order. Let's see. Okay, so you can come here, can select card or mobile money, then you pay the money. Okay, after paying the money, then we'll be able to get back to you. Then that is, we will design the website for you for free. We will collect the data, the information that we need from you, then we will design it for you for free. Okay, yes, for free. And so this is a pending. I have to delete it because I'm not ready to pay for anything. It was just a way of showing you how to go about it. Okay, or I can just go back and cancel that. Okay, so let me see. Oh, come on, I want to cancel this. Okay, so so far so good. Okay, so thank you for watching. All that I can say is, as I said, feel free, please kindly comment and subscribe, share the video. It will motivate us to do more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.